1. Now look at the picture. Listen and look. There is one example.
We had a garden party last week, Miss Long. My dad cooked sausages outside. Here's a picture.
Oh, yes. Is that your dad? The man in the gray shirt?
Yes. His name's Paul. Do you know him?
I think I do.
Can you see the line? This is an example. Now you listen. 1.
There's my sister, Daisy.
Where?
She's there, under the table with one of the puppies.
Oh, she looks very young.
Yes, she's only 4.
2.
And who's that? The person with the cup in her hand?
That's one of Mum's friends,
What's her name?
Vicky,
Why hasn't she got any shoes on?
because we've got a swimming pool in the garden. She put her feet in the water.
3.
And there's Jim. I gave him those sunglasses.
The boy who's sitting on the grass?
Yes. He lives in the next house. He loves our dogs.
I can see that.
4.
Who's the girl that's got the phone?
The girl with the blonde hair? That's Sally.
What's she carrying under her arm?
It's a new game, but we didn't play it.
Oh.
5.
What about the boy with the towel? Who's he?
That's my friend, Peter. He went in the pool too.
Why is he wearing a scarf?
I don't know.